I had a company weld together a framework of metal on some tanks on an old boat lift. This is that framework. Stay tuned to the very end and you'll get to see it in action. I took some treated lumber and I let it dry out. You can do that over several months, and then I painted it because it's going to be wet quite a bit and really can't have it going rotten. This is the lumber all painted, sitting on the dock, waiting for installation. So on this part of the video, and it's going to be noisy because everything's squeaky on a dock. But anyway, I had to move to my phone because the speaker on the camera wasn't working. I got to get that fixed. So on this platform, which is going to be a submersible deck, I've got a metal frame, and then I've spaced out 2x4s across the frame, 7 feet across. They are treated lumber, dried out, so I've painted them because they're going to be close to the water. And then I'm slowly, this is the bottom side of the decking. I'm using an oil stain on the bottom because it'll be close contact water. And right now I'm just slowly carrying them down the hill. Okay, so I stained the bottom side a little early, but it doesn't matter, it's not going to show. But I'm going to leave the top side of this to breathe for a couple of months. I've spaced them out. You can see some of the stain ran around the outside, but that's okay because I'm going to do a fox, is that how you say it? A fake teak. And so I need to put dark brown streaks in it. And so I'm okay with the splotches. Teak's an exotic wood. It has different flavors in it, different areas of darkness. So I'm just going to add to that. But anyway, I've spaced them out pretty good because, again, this is going to go up and down in the water. And then I'm going to build a trim around the outside. But for now, it's just a whole box of screws, a pry bar to kind of adjust the spacing. So here I am out in the middle of the lake. This is what I've spent my week doing. I built a deck in the lake. Tim, you say it's underwater. Well, let's hit the remote control. What? What is that you say? Okay, so it's part of a boat lift. But now I can work on the back of the boat, and it sinks with the lift.